Burger Rippy over here at your Dutchman Restaurant Car Show Thursday evening, the 21st of July. Back by the barn, and the paint horses, the miniature horses, the ponies are back. It's kind of dark back here. Sort of a test for the camera out here. I noticed some other YouTubers were having issues, and somewhat. They usually film with their telephones though, and I'm hoping I have it narrowed down. This one has a surfer theme going on. It's an off-white. It's a butterscotch almost. It's a sort of a unique color. F250. Belvedere. Yeah, beautiful 3/4 ton Ford. A short bed Chevy for sale with a stroker motor. The sport bed, 1992. A movie set car with a blue interior, indigo, a 50 Mercury, like, you think? It'd be newer than that. Beautiful show car. Got a couple of them. I should have got a price on that. Yeah, it's a Mercury. Yeah, the short bed has me curious now. Anyway, this looks like a there's some blue in that silver and a red and black interior. Some more indigo. It's a 1/4 mile car. Henry J. So almost 6 o'clock straight up, and people still pulling in. There's vintage motorcycle days this weekend up at Steam Corner, Mid-Ohio. It's $50 a ticket though, so I'm not even riding anymore. There's that Studebaker wagon over there. There's a Jeep show at Young's Dairy I plan on attending, and the Blackwing Shooting Center over before you get to Delaware Taverniers. Yearly event, and I filmed the last 2 years, so I think I want to skip it and go to Yellow Spring. Sort of the plan now, weather permitting. It's pretty barn. There's a Mini Cooper, which I better look up and see when that British show is. So this tilt cab truck with the engine behind the cab. It was in a parade. And then there was a Chevy like this. He's got the for sale sign in it. He's got a Detroit 238 Detroit in there, 1965. He's asking 10. I wonder how it's tagged and stuff. Somebody got their show car out here that I don't remember seeing this year, but I seen them from over home coming over. See the 238. at the semi-engine. Look at the transmission. That's kind of unique. That's not a 4 or anything. He's got an Allison tranny. So I would say that's an old bus engine. Got some Michelin rubber in the back. So that's what 10 will get you, I guess. And then I was saying to my friends, I thought those were rare. There's cab overs, and then so there was one called a Chevy, because we hauled grain, and a friend of mine had one. The engine was in there though, and then oh, he said it was 1965, yeah. But they were saying since International was around Springfield, Ohio, that there was tons of people that had them. That was their story to it. Some cool patina work truck here, 4-wheel drive, square body, which is popular, and possibly 84 was the first year they come out with that headlight. And remember that. Nice truck. Beautiful. Check it out. It greened up. We had some rain. Kind of one of my favorite show trucks, even though it is a Chevy. But and this one here, this guy bought this new. It was in 1977, and you can tell he just enjoys driving it, and it is pretty cool. There's a ladies' automobile for the fashion model. Lots of Porsches, and if you catch them at the right time, and Corvettes, especially for just being in Ohio. Beautiful. And then our Sapphires over here. We haven't looked at Sapphire a whole lot this year. We're just pulling in. Vet, and another vet. And thanks for watching, everyone. Burger Rippy over here. Good Dutchman restaurant. You can see the fog on my camera there a little bit. This one's for sale too. He's got 26 on her. No, he's got some wheels for sale. I'm sorry. Corvette guys trading parts, and important business meetings for people to meet up here, talk cars and everything related to cars at the Dutchman restaurant, Plain City, Ohio. Thanks for watching. Burger Derpy.